Welcome back, everyone. So today I'm going to make curry cold foot and beans. Now what I have here in a pressure cooker, I have 2 pounds of cold foot and I have about 3/4 cups of dried beans. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the beans. Now to this, I'm just going to add enough water to cover the peas and the cold foot, and I'm using about 5 cups of water. So I'm going to add another 1 cup of water, so that brings it a total of 6 cups of water. I'm going to cover the pressure cooker. So I've placed the pressure cooker over medium high heat. And what I'm going to do, I'm just allowing the pressure to build up. Now once the pressure builds up, I'm going to let the meat and the bean cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. So our pressure cooker is cooled down and our meat was cooking for about 30 minutes. So this is what we have. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go ahead and add Scotch bonnet pepper to that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6 teaspoons of mixed seasoning or 2 tablespoons of seasoning. And this is a blend of different types of seasoning, but you can use your favorite seasoning blend. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix this together. So to this I'm also going to add 1, 2, 3, 4 teaspoons of curry powder. Give that a mix together. So I'm just going to go ahead and return this back to the heat and let it simmer down until the liquid is reduced. So I'm just going to let it go for another 15 minutes. And we don't want to seal the cover. We just want to off cover the pot. So our meat, our cow foot and bean has been simmering for 15 minutes. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go ahead and add some fresh basil leaf and a few curry leaf. So that's some fresh basil leaves and a few curry leaves. Out to this, I'm also going to add a little grated nutmeg. Toss everything together. And we're just going to let the herbs infuse for about a minute or 2 and then remove this from the heat.